With today's share price, Apple has reached a market cap of almost $2 trillion. This has made Apple the darling of the stock market. It has become the largest publicly traded company in the world, even larger than the Saudi oil major Saudi Aramco, which has the largest oil reserves in the world. Hi, my name is Sunny and welcome to my channel Sunnysnippets. Here, I try to declutter some of the latest news, make it simple to understand so that my audience is well informed. Apple was founded on April 1st, 1976. In 1980, it raised $100 million on its IPO at $22 per share, which was a lot of money back then. In 1985, Steve Jobs was fired from Apple. In his absence, string of failed products led Apple to almost bankruptcy in 1997. Steve Jobs was brought back as CEO to save the company he co-founded from bankruptcy. He launched string of new innovative products like iPod and iPhone. These new innovative products changed the fortunes of the company forever. Apple shares hit historic $1 trillion market cap in August 2018. It was the first publicly traded US company to hit $1 trillion market value. Apple took almost 40 years to reach 1 trillion market cap, but the next trillion came very quickly. The chart shows a steep rise in its value. Since 2018, Apple has added $1 trillion to its market cap. Apple has for this year projected $280 billion revenue, $58 billion profit as compared to Walmart's projected $545 billion revenue and $14 billion profit. Apple's projected revenue is half of Walmart and profits 1/4 of Walmart. How can then Apple be worth 5 times more than Walmart? It's the higher anticipated growth rate of revenue and profits that makes Apple about 5 times more valuable than Walmart right now. Today, Apple makes about 6.5% of S&P 500 index. Apple is trying to switch gears to be a service company. Thereby, it can sell customers recurring ongoing subscriptions for software to be used on Apple devices. This shift from being a hardware company to a service company allows Apple to have a higher profit margin, therefore commanding a higher valuation on the stock market. This has enabled Apple to accumulate over $100 billion of cash. They are using this cash to fuel their growth by investing in new technologies, new products, or buying up new companies. They have managed to build a separate ecosystem. Rumor is that Apple has been working on a self-driving car for years. They have even returned some cash to shareholders also. All this fueled organic growth for Apple. This has enabled it to be the world's first ever $2 trillion company. A 4-for-1 stock split along with blockbuster earnings for this quarter, even during COVID-19, has increased Apple's market cap to $1.866 trillion. Apple is trading at around $446 a share. It would need to hit about $468 a share to reach a $2 trillion valuation, which is not very far. Let's use two examples to see how big is $2 trillion market cap. Number 1. Apple is worth almost the combined value of Russell 2000 small cap index. A Russell 2000 index has 2000 small cap companies. It has a combined market valuation of about $2 trillion. As you can see from this comparative chart between Apple and Russell 2000, you can see Apple is about to overtake the market cap of Russell 2000. Number 2. Apple has 6.5% weight in S&P 500. Apple, being the largest publicly traded company in the US, has the largest weight in S&P 500 index. Apple, with a 6.5% weight in S&P 500, as seen in the chart, is higher than IBM's weight, which was 6.4% in 1980s. These big American tech companies, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, and Facebook combined has about 24% weight in S&P 500. Oil major Saudi Aramco has been on the top of the market cap of $1.76 trillion. Apple, with its solid results in spite of the pandemic and the stock split news, has resulted in Apple stock going through the roof. With its market cap of $1.88 trillion, it has overtaken Saudi Aramco to become the most valuable public company in the world. Saudi Aramco, Saudi Arabia's state-owned oil company, has the world's largest oil reserves. The low oil demand because of COVID-19 slowdown has a negative effect on Saudi Aramco's share price. Investors are willing to pay a premium for companies that are able to grow organically in a low growth environment. Therefore, Apple will remain as the most valuable publicly traded company in the world, ahead of Saudi Aramco. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway's 5.7% stake in Apple, bought for $35 billion a couple of years ago, is worth about $100 billion today. Warren Buffett's Apple stock has tripled in value as the iPhone maker stock has reached new heights. Berkshire's Apple position is now worth more than 4 times its second largest holding, Bank of America. This is my take, where I have tried to declutter journey of Apple over the years to reach a $2 trillion market cap. There's a lot of room for Apple to grow its hardware and services business. Nobody should be surprised if Apple stock reaches even higher and unthinkable market cap. If you have found value in the content that I make, please help me and my channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing it. Press the notification button to get notified about the latest videos that I make. Thanks for watching. See you next time on your channel, Sunny Snippets.